What's good, y'all? Seeing this thing? It's been a little minute, but today I'm going to show you guys how to save a preset in Premiere Pro. Let's get it. All right, so I'm going to show you guys two different ways on how you can kind of save a preset. So we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to assume that you guys have already, edited your clip and you just want to save a preset for future projects. All right, so jumping into Premiere Pro, say you have your clip that could be transitions, effects, or just color, whatever the case may be. It's essentially the same way that you would save it. So for me, this clip is just color grading. I just want to save the colors, so in future reference, future projects and stuff, I can just grab it, drop it, or import it, whatever the case may be. So again, keep in mind, this clip already has the adjustments, the edits, the effects, whatever it is that you want to save, right? So you're going to click on the clip, go over here to wherever your adjustments and everything are, and then go over to where you have Lumetri color, go over to the three lines, right click, and then you're gonna see these modes. You have export look, export cube, and save preset. So the difference with export look and export cube, essentially it's the same thing, but if you want to save it to your actual desktop, say you want to sell a preset, or you want to send it to somebody, or you just want to save it for a file or USB, whatever the case may be is for that, that's essentially what those are for. So to give you an example, like you can hit export look, right, and then name it, I don't know, text, right, and then you'll save it wherever you want to save it. So let's just say I'm going to save it downloads, hit save, and then from there you might be like, well, where's my preset? I'm looking, I'm over here in creative, and I scroll down, I don't see nothing. That's because you have to add it, because you exported it. So you export it to like your desktop, your downloads, your files, right? So you're gonna have to import it back into Premiere Pro. So going over to a clip that doesn't have any edits, just to kind of show you, this one doesn't have any edits, nothing on it, right? So what we just saved, you'll go over here, down to creative, look, hit that, you can go browse, and then go to wherever you saved it. We just saved it over in the downloads, so downloads, there you go, test, open, and then now it's gonna apply the preset that you just added, right? So that's basically option one. It goes the same for export cube. Again, it's just if you want to save, it's kind of like an extra step, because you export, you're gonna have to import it. I don't do it that way, okay? Because to me, it's just an extra step. And when you get in the workflow, you don't want to have to like go down to creative and then hit the look and then try to find, to each its own. Again, to each its own. Sometimes you need to export. Sometimes, you do. But moving on to the way I do it, which is more effective, where you're just remain in Premiere Pro, right? So I'm going to take the preset off of this clip. So bada boom, bada bang, 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 bang. There we go. All right. So now again, it's unedited clip. So going back to the step one, you're going to make sure you're on the clip that already has the saved preset. Okay. Click the clip, click. Just click on the video that you want to save, right? Go back up to Lumetri color, right click on the three lines, and then go down to save preset this time. Click on that, and it's going to bring up this little box. From there, you don't really have to select like scale and all of that. I just leave everything how it is, but I change the name, obviously. So for this, we'll just do test 2. And then if you want to write a description on the preset, like moody, sunny, like, stuff out, whatever you want to say, you can write it. And then when you're done, just hit OK. So from there, again, you might be like, okay, but where's my stuff? I'm going over here, I'm looking, and I don't see it. Like, I'm scrolling down, I don't see no test 2, whatever. That's because it saves in effects. You're going to have to go to effects, and then under presets, that's where you're going to see it. So test 2, from there, you can drag and drop on your clip, and then, of course, there goes your preset. From there, that's easier to me, because you can create a whole folder in presets named like my presets, and then just put all your presets there. And then from there, you can just add an adjustment layer, put it on top of like multiple clips, just drag that one preset to the adjustment layer, and everything underneath is gonna have your preset. So you don't have to like go one by one and try to change and add the preset and all of that. But that's essentially how you save a preset in Premiere Pro. Hope it helps.